Hey YouTube, I'm doing a pack opening, FIFA 15. I was just doing a pack opening and something glitched out with it, I couldn't upload it, so I wasted quite a lot of FIFA points. I had like 6,000. But I just got Ibra in a pack a second ago. I just got Ibra in a pack. I literally, oh my god, I'll go show you to prove it. Ibra in a pack. What the hell? Anyway, so I'm going to be opening more packs, just because it got him technically, and well, that's it. Whoops. First pack, come on, oh, the Digi pack, first pack, come on, Digi pack, come on, first pack, first pack, first pack, this is so cool. I'll place on the transfer list. I need contracts. I'll just discard the rest. Not a very good pack. Got 55,000 coins, so that's quite good. Right, I'm not no look pack. Just got Ibrahimovic, can't believe it. Alright, so I'm not looking. Alright, oh, 90 pace. Keeping in 90 pace, mate. Holy crap, Ibra. I want Ibra again. Alright, so next pack. Right, I'm gonna do a nose pack. Right, nose pack. Come on, please, Messi. Give me Messi. Messi, give me Messi. Santi Cazorla. Yes! Good for my team. 28 contract as well. It's good for my team as well. Alright, discard. I don't care if his arrows there. I'm going to do a zoom in, no look pack. Oops, not one open pack. Right, so zoom in, no look pack. Right, no look pack. Right, let's see. Oh, no one good. No one good at, oh, long. 84 pace. Fitness. Play someone transfer this. Right, discard. I'm not getting any good packs now. No wonder, I just got Ibra. Alright, next pack. Come on, lads. Just a normal pack. Look. That is good. Oh, squad fitness as well. Basic, I don't know. Discard. Right, 1,300 more FIFA points. Right, I'm not looking this pack. Please give me something like uninformed. Been opening quite a lot of packs. Right? Please give me something good. Please give me something good. Not really a good pack. What's happened? What? I don't want. Right. Can take all of them. Take that. Discard. 65,000 coins. I just sold something. Alright. Zoom up pack again, but I'm gonna look this time. Zoom up pack. It's okay. He might go for something since it's the first day of FIFA. I gotta say, I'm having a really good day. Really good day today. Each round was like 700,000 coins. Oh, think how much things I can get with that. I can buy freaking informs. Di Maria inform. But I'm not gonna get him though. Alright. Next pack, I'm not looking. Not looking, zoom up. Not looking. And we got, oh, Diaby. I'll take him. 87 pace. People want that. Oh no, I don't want that. Take that. Discard. Right, 850 FIFA points. FIFA points. Right, come on. I'm going to do skip pack. He's decent, I guess. Contracts, they're always good. $69,000 coins. Alright, no look. Hazard again. No look zoom up pack. Oh, Victor Wanyama. He's play for Celtic. But oh, he's not worth anything. He's not worth anything. Dribbling. I'm dribbling defending. Almost 70,000 coins. Alright, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Right. Normal pack. It's a normal pack. And we get no one. Osvaldo. Not really that good. I wish I had more FIFA points, like. So. 70,000 coins. Oh, 71,000. Tim Howard. Last pack after this and I'll open it. Oh, no. Oh! Right, last pack. Come on. What should I do for the last pack? Alright, no. Alonso. What's that? I thought I know who this is. I wasn't thinking of Xavi Alonso. Alright, 360 tier pack. Oh god. I hate doing this pack. Oh god. Oh, I can't even see who I got. Oh, Begovic. He's decent. Oh, he's decent. Contracts, right. That was the last probably good pack I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get no one in the next pack. I'll just keep no one. I'm gonna go buy Alexis Sanchez. Last pack. Don't really care about this one. I'm not gonna get anything good. I'll do a zoom up pack anyway. Oh, it's decent for a 5k pack. It's worth about 10k. Yeah, it's 10k. What's this? Kicking. And bye guys, this has been Two Bros Gaming. Peace out.